Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by reducing risk. Power off the device or disable its network adapter so you avoid link flaps or short errors. Next, check the router or modem ports and your computer's jack so you know which cable to remove. Grab the replacement Cat5e or Cat6 cable and confirm length and connectors match. Once done, position yourself so the cable path is clear and you can reach both ends. This prevents tugging and You press the plastic tab on the old RJ45 plug to release it, then pull straight out to avoid bending the contacts. Don't rock it side to side. Now align the new cable so the clip faces the port latch and the contacts line up. This prevents pin damage and ensures a proper fit. Push the plug straight in until you hear or feel a click. After insertion, give a gentle tug to confirm the connector is locked and won't pull loose. You power devices back on and watch the port LEDs. A steady or blinking light means physical link and activity. Then verify IP connectivity using the network status panel or a ping to a gateway. If there's no address, renew DHCP or set a static IP temporarily. If you still have no link, make systematic checks. Try another port on the switch or router, swap in a known good cable, and inspect the RJ45 ends for bent or pushed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.